Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video, let's make some juice for cold cough and sore throat. So we have lemon, ginger, and honey. So before we start, I just want to show you guys that if you don't want honey, you can use sugar, or you don't have to put at all. We're gonna start. So I'm gonna put this ginger. I already sliced that very thin. And then I'm gonna slice the lemon. So just squeeze it. I use a squeezer so it's easy and all the juice will come out. And this lemon is good. Now right there's the juice. And now we have to use a warm water or hot water. Anyway, this is hot water. So I use one whole lemon. I'm gonna put all of this hot water. And then we're gonna put some honey, 100% honey. It's up to you how much honey you have to put. If you like sweet, then put some more honey. Or you don't have to put honey at all. So now we have to cover. You can only cover for 5 minutes. So now this is ready. So this one, you can add lemon and water. This is still fine. So now guys, this is our lemon juice. So this lemon juice is the best medicine for cough and cold. You don't have to buy any antibiotic. Just drink this one. You can drink every morning, and you can also drink every night. You can bring it to work, and if you want some on the lunchtime, you can have that too. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.